Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon meal prep. Preheat oven to 425 degrees F and line a baking sheet with foil. Pat salmon dry, trim any pin bones, and brush with olive oil. Season simply with salt, black pepper, and lemon zest for bright flavor. Bake for 10 to 14 minutes depending on thickness until flaky but still moist. Let rest briefly before portioning into containers for the week. For seasoning, keep it balanced with 1 bold spice and 2 mild complements. Try smoked paprika, garlic powder, and a pinch of cayenne for a warm profile. Roast vegetables like broccoli and carrots on the same tray for easy cleanup and complementary flavors. Cook quinoa or rice separately and cool before packing to prevent sogginess. Top each portion with a lemon yogurt sauce or fresh herb salsa just before eating. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple meal ideas. Quick recommendation: on another note, life is too short for flimsy socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort while you cook. I love the durability and they last through all my kitchen shifts. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Cool salmon fully before sealing to preserve texture and food safety. Pack individual portions with a separate small container of sauce to keep flavors bright. Store refrigerated for up to 4 days or freeze for up to 3 months, labeling with dates. To reheat, use a low oven or microwave with a splash of water and cover to retain moisture. Finish with fresh lemon or herbs to revive flavors and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.